Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Andy Show with your direct stock market daily report for October 15th. Your market summary: ISX 60 index opened at 980.79, closed at 994, marking a 1.37% increase. The index reached a low of 980.79 and a high of 999.44. The ISX 15 opened at 1068.10, closed at 1074.66, showing a 0.61% increase. The index reached a low of 1068.10 and a high of 1077.32. The total trading volume was 9,903,000,000 shares with a total value of 6,096,000,000 IQD. Top three gainers: BINT, IIDP, BIME, which we don't have. Top three losers: SMRI, BEFI, and BIBI, none of which we have as well. Our top three by trading value: BINI, BMNS, and BBOB, which again we have both of these. And the top three by trading volume: Commercial Bank of Iraq, Masur Bank, and Iraqi Noor Islamic Bank. Again, we have that bank. All right, sectors performance. Again, the banks are dominating the stock market. Yesterday, I believe it was around 89%. Well, I got it right here somewhere. But they were today 94.33% of the trades dealt with banks. So banks are hot. What does that tell you? It tells me that they are up to something, and I think we all hope they're up to the same thing. Anyway, block trade impact for the second consecutive day: a significant block trade of 8.7 billion shares of Iraq Noor Islamic Bank at 0.45 IQD per share was executed. This transaction substantially influenced overall market metrics. Notably, even when excluding their outlier, the market still demonstrated increased liquidity, signaling robust investor engagement across the board. Banking sector dominance. The banking sector continued to be the primary driver of the market activity. BMNS and BBOB maintained their position as market leaders, and we're glad to be a part of both of those, demonstrating continued high demand and substantial trading values, collectively accounting for over 23%, I can't talk this morning, of the total session value, not even counting the massive block trade here. While banking dominated, other major sectors showed varied performance. The industrial sector, particularly Baghdad soft drink, demonstrated resilience with a 0.47% gain and significant trading activity, 105 million daily value. Sector concentration. Trading activity was predominantly focused on major sectors, particularly banking and industry. Smaller sectors, such as insurance, saw minimal to no trading, highlighting a selective approach by investors. Telecom sector absence. The suspension of Asiacell from trading due to its upcoming General Assembly meeting resulted in zero activity in the telecommunications sector, potentially redirecting investor attention to other sectors and contributing to the increased focus on banking and industrial stocks. I don't know exactly how long they have before they reopen trading. I believe I read it somewhere, but offhand I can't remember. But hopefully once their General Assembly is done, then this one will go up much higher, much faster. They've been a great stock for us. About 40% increase on Asia Sell, I think, so far. All right, market forecast. The ISX displays positive momentum driven by robust banking sector performance and selective industrial stock strength. The continuation of large block trades coupled with increased overall liquidity suggests sustained investor confidence. However, the market may experience short-term volatility as it adjusts to the eventual return of telecom sector activity. Key stocks approaching technical resistance or support levels may influence near-term price action. While the overall trend remains bullish, investors should remain vigilant of potential sector rotations and global economic factors. Maintaining a diversified portfolio with a focus on liquid, fundamentally strong stocks across sectors is advisable in this dynamic market environment. So there you have your daily update. And how did that affect our account? We have 4.368,904,353 in our trading account. So it's up about 40 million, somewhere around 40 million dinar. What an increase. So here we are right here. Asia Sell, of course, they're not trading right now due to their General Assembly. But it closed at 11.32 the last time it closed. Our average price on this is 7.5. So somewhere around between a 40 and 50% increase. I don't sit and try to figure out the exact amount because it doesn't really matter. As long as it's going up, we're good. But we do still have 114,116,453 dinar is in our cash account. And folks, you can play with the numbers and see that we are still well over double the initial investment. Our total cost, naturally it cost us more than this, but this is the actual stock cost. We've invested $2.016 billion into stocks, and our current market value is $4,368,904,000. So with that, that is your market update for, again, October 15th, 2024. And I will bring you these as often as I can. Please note that some days I don't have the time, but we'll continue to bring them as much as possible. I know people want to be kept up to date. I was doing videos, lucky if I was doing them once a month. I know I went even well beyond that a few times, and it aggravated people, to put it mildly, that I was not keeping them more updated. So hopefully this will resolve that issue, and we'll just continue to look at the positive end of this, and hopefully this ride is close to being done. Until our next update, I'll talk to you soon. Take care, everybody. God bless you all.